The national government has found 3 little girls in the whole area of the U.S. They are planning to start an infection. Please do not go outside for anything. Follow the instructions to be safe. Step 1. Get inside a basement if you have one immediately. Block all doors and windows. Step 2. If you live next to a house with a basement, get inside it immediately. If you get infected, your body will be shaped like a Powerpuff Girl, but you are still the same person. If you are seeing this alert, you are safe from the Powerpuff infection. Buildings in the city of New York have turned pink, teal, and green. Buildings like the Empire State Building have fallen because of this disaster. Please stay in these places if you are in it. Grand Central Terminal basements in homes' underground bunkers. Good luck to everybody in these areas. An infection is spreading in the whole U.S. Buildings are turning pink, teal, and green. Buildings like the Levauk Tower has fell. Please stay in underground bunkers or basements and block all doors. Good luck. If you see this, you are safe. The Sears or Willis Tower has collapsed. It is pink, teal, and green. Stay in underground bunkers and basements now. The city of Nashville is getting destroyed. Now the Morgan Wallen bar has fell. The government is trying to stop this now. Please stay underground. If you see this, you are safe. The Yum Center has just fallen. The governments around the world are planning to make a missile called PPGNO 4231. It means no more Powerpuff Girls. The missile has failed. Now, the governments are making a nuclear bomb. Called PPG-NO-NB, it means no Powerpuff Girls, nuclear bomb.
Hello, world. This is the governments around the world speaking. The reason there is no beeping noises and the voice is different and the alert is different, it is because the infection is now over. We are glad we all saved you. We will always save humanity. We love you all. The world governments.